So I made my baby food for the first time. We'll see if he likes it, because when I made it with my daughter, she absolutely detested it. Let's see what he thinks. Is it good? Do you like it?
Mom,
Should I try more?
you're ring. You're ring, Mom. It's blue.
Is it? Try one more bite. Another scoop? Well, he's eating it, so that's a good sign. Okay, one more big scoop. Let's just see if he's just faking it, or if he really does like my baby food. Okay, I guess my excuse for not baking baby food because they don't like it is now no longer.